You're here because you want to get paid. Awesome. Stripe is our payment processor. It lets you securely collect your customer's credit card and payment information. Here's the deal. If Stripe isn't connected and set up correctly, your funnel can look gorgeous. Your messaging can be perfect, and your audience can be wildly excited. But nobody can actually pay you. This step takes like 3 minutes. So let's set up your payment processing and make sure your payment system is fully working so every sale goes through and money lands safely in your bank account. Stripe integrates with Pagewheel auto-magically. Once you do the initial setup, you will not have to go directly into Stripe and set up products. It will pull the information from Pagewheel into Stripe and do that for you. And it is your Stripe account. You can always log into your Stripe account and see the transactions and do your own customer service from there. Let's get you connected. Go to your Pagewheel dashboard and click on your profile to get to your account settings. Select the Stripe connection option in the left sidebar. Click on the Connect with Stripe blue button. That will take you to a Get Started with Stripe page inside of Stripe. If you already have a Stripe account, you can log into it on this page. If you do not, then follow the simple steps to get your Stripe account set up. To finish getting your payment processor connected, just hit the Continue buttons until your Stripe is connected to Pagewheel and you can start charging for products. If later you want to attach a different Stripe account or remove your Stripe connection, go back to your Stripe connection page in your account settings and push the Disconnect from Stripe button. You can then sign up to Stripe again with your new account. If you followed along, good job. You're doing the most exciting thing a business owner can do. You're setting yourself up to get paid. Make sure those payments are ready today so your funnel can go to work for you, not the other way around.